going, everybody? It's Conrad from MojoBreak.com here on Saturday, June 2nd, 2018, doing a 12-box case break of 2018 Tier 1 Baseball, random team style number 10. We just drew your teams, and there were no trades. Jesse got the Angels, Tony H with the Astros, WPG Athletics, Joe S Cubs, Sky Sox with the Indians and Orioles, Tony H Marlins, Rengroff Yankees, Satchel Mariners, Tony H Twins, Sky Sox Diamondbacks, SP McNulty Red Sox, Jesse R Reds, WPG Royals Rays combo, Tony H Dodgers, Charles D Brewers, Tony H Rockies, B Wireman Nationals, Wee Bud White Sox, Satchel with the Padres and Blue Jays, PC Noble Braves, Kobaya with the Mets, Den 247 Tigers, H3 Phillies, WPG Pirates, Shane Collectible Rangers, and McCullen Cardinals, and Jay Moore with the Giants. And once again, we got another case of Tier 1 tomorrow, but it's going to be a PYT Pick Your Team style break. Good luck, everybody, in the random tonight. Alright, 12 boxes. Number 1. Alright, relic up top. Wilson Contreras for the Cubs. Jersey, 5 of 35 for the Cubbies. Brand new 2018 Finest Baseball releases this upcoming week, guys. Releases on Wednesday. It's going to be a fun product. One of my favorites every year. We got a Sam Travis auto. Bronze ink. 2 of 25 bronze colored ink. Sam Travis for Boston. And Red Sox on the board. SP McNulty. Last hit, box 1. Chris Davis for the Oakland A's. 140 of 285. Oakland Athletics, Wayne, WPG. Chris Davis. Alright. Box 2. Double relic pack. First up, Brooks Robinson, bat relic for the Baltimore Orioles. 32 of 100, Brooks Robinson. Orioles, Sky Sox. And then a Andrew Miller relic, also for Sky Sox and the Indians. 81 of 335. Jersey of Andrew Miller. And got a relic of him, got an auto of him. Wilson Contreras, Tier 1 talent, 43 of 160. Going out to the Cubs and Joe. 43 of 160 Contreras. And then a George Springer auto for the Houston Astros, 88 of 145. Houston is Tony H. George Spring. Box number 3. A Salvador Perez jersey for the Kansas City Royals, 12 of 335. Salvador Perez for KC. WPG Wayne. And then we got an auto of Lucas Sims. Lucas Sims, 194 of 275 rookie auto for the Atlanta Braves. PC Noble. And it's been a while. We hit 4 of them on release. Here's another one. Yay! Man, so hot with the knobs. Congrats, New York Mets. 1 of 1 of 1 of 1 of 1. Bat relic auto, Mike Piazza for the New York Mets. Woo! Kobaya obsessed with the New York Mets. Damn, I'm like a bat knob god this year. Pause. opened up the pack, I could feel the card underneath. I was like, yeah, that doesn't feel like a regular card. Once again, this is the craziness of this Bat Knob run is that last year I must have done over 1,000 breaks last year and only hit one Bat Knob the entire year. I did a lot of baseball last year too. This year I already hit 3 of them. One product. Oh yeah, put it like this. That. Yeah. That. Sweet. Great grades down to 25. All right, box number 4. Oh, is the boom still up there? Luis Severino jersey for the New York Yankees. Ren Groff Yankees. And a Michael Fulmer auto, Tier 1 talent, Detroit. With the Michael Fulmer. Dan 247, the Tigers. And back to the Mets. Rookie auto of Dominic Smith. And it's a silver ink. 3 of 10. The rich get richer. Congrats to the Mets. Silver parallel. Rookie auto Dominic Smith. 3 out of 10. Crying to yourself. They usually have a pretty good checklist. Flawless random groups with 18 spots left now, guys. This can be the last break of the night. Never cry in a random break. You just never know what the random gods is going to bring your team. Even if you don't get a top team. Never cry. You might be surprised when you get a 101 Bat Knob auto. Alright, Starlin Castro, jersey relic for the Astros. Not Astros. Yankees. The Houston Yankees, 139 of 335. Starlin Castro. Another Sam Travis auto. 24 275 base version this time. And very nice. Congrats. Red Sox patch auto rookie. Rafael Devers, 32 of 80. Rafael Devers. Going out to Boston. And SP Minotti, whatever your backpack. Except for Renee Min. Box 6. Alright, a Drew Pomeranz jersey for the Red Sox, 313, 335. Josh Hader auto for the Milwaukee Brewers, 32 of 275. Brewers and Charles D. And a redemption. Clint Frazier, breakout auto for the Yankees and Ren. Frazier. Oh, the one that we hit? It's a New York Met, Mike Piazza. All right, Adam Jones for Orioles, 314, 335 jersey. Adam Jones. Andres Galarraga auto for the Atlanta Braves, 71 of 26 or 270. Atlanta. And a Chris Sale, Tier 1 talent auto for the Red Sox. Red Sox doing well. All right, number 8. Dylan Betances jersey for the Yankees, 35/335. And a Josh Harrison auto for the Pirates. Super hard to hit a Pirate in this product. 14/285. Congrats, Pittsburgh. WBG Wayne with the Josh Harrison. And then Adrian Beltre, Tier 1 talent for the Rangers. 11/80. Nice looking auto there. Shane and the Rangers. Double relic pack. First up, Giancarlo Stanton. Check out my dual patches. Wow, those are some pretty amazing patches. 11/25 for the Marlins. Still a Marlin on this product. Pretty good patches there for Miami. Congrats. Tony H. A Craig Kimbrough jersey for the Red Sox. 78/335. Max Kepler auto for the Minnesota Twins. 32/275. Tony H and the Twins. Gonna put the Twins on the board. And a nice rookie auto, Alex Verdugo for the Dodgers. 44/275. Tony H as well. Dodgers, Alex Verdugo, rookie auto. All right, 3 more. 3 more for Chloe. On the top, we have another Wilson Contreras bronze parallel auto, 14/25 for the Cubs. A relic of Alex Bregman for the Astros, 279/335. Another Drew Pomeranz auto for the Red Sox, 88/250. Ooh, pretty cool hit for this team here. Going out to the Nats, Silver Ink Randy Johnson, 1/10. And that is the first Randy Johnson I've hit in Tier 1 since release. Randy Johnson, sure. Going out to B. Wireman. Congrats, B. Wireman. This case is crazy. All right, 2 more boxes. What else can we get here? Some crazy stuff, man. Josh Harrison relic for the Pirates to go with the auto, 304/335. Sean Newcomb auto for the Braves, 188/275. And a nice Jim Palmer bronze parallel, 21/25 auto for the Baltimore Orioles and Sky Sox. Last box. Last pack. Chris Archer up top, relic for the Tampa Bay Rays, 219/335. Chris Archer. Rays Wayne, a Jack Flaherty rookie auto for the Cardinals, 226/275. McMullen and the Cardinals. And last hit, Another one of this guy. Congrats. Red Sox did pretty well. Rafael Devers for the Boston Red Sox. Rookie auto. 249 of 275. Rafael Devers. All right. And that was the break, guys. 12-box case break. Random teams number 10 of 2018 Tier 1 baseball on Saturday, June 2nd, 2018. If your team went hitless, as always, if you didn't get a jersey or auto for your team, you will receive a $5 hitless credit that I'm going to send out to your Mojo account after we close out the video. Congrats all the winners in the case, and especially the Mets. Killed it. Mike Piazza, 101. Bat knob auto. All right. Peace, guys. Let's see what we're breaking next.